Whilst everybody is talking about making money with YouTube faceless channels, people are making thousands of dollars from Facebook monetization by simply posting other people's viral videos on their Facebook pages. Since these videos are already viral on the internet, they easily go viral on Facebook, like this guy who gets 1 million views within a few hours of posting by simply adding short clip of himself to an already viral video and gets paid. Everyone with smartphone can do this, and you don't need to learn video editing to do this, because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this video. Although you can post these reaction videos, but if you want to get more views and get monetized fast, stick around in this video because I'm going to share how the Facebook monetization actually works. I'm Emmanuel and I make videos about how to make money online. So if you're interested in this topic, subscribe to the channel. Let's go. Facebook is one of the best platforms to get monetized on because they pay for every content that you post, whether being videos, text, and pictures. So I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own Facebook page, how to make videos on your Facebook page, and how to also monetize your Facebook page. So the first thing you need to do is to select a niche. Now, a niche is simply the type of content that you are going to post, such as reacting to football videos, such as reacting to funny videos, entertainment videos, and more. So make sure you choose one that you are also going to react to. Now, the next step is to create a Facebook page if you don't already have one, and it's very simple. All you need to do is to go into your Facebook account just like this, and here click on this icon at the top right here and click on create Facebook profile. Here choose professional, down here click on next, and here choose your page name. So I would suggest that based on what you're going to do, you can simply put the name after what you are going to also do. So here I'll name my page Emma React right here. So I'll just name it Emma React because here I'm going to react to funny videos in general. I'll click on done. They will ask you to choose the category that describes Emma React. So I'm going for entertainment right here. So I'll simply choose for entertainment website. So make sure you choose the one that also suits what you are doing and click on create. After your page is created successfully, it will also bring you to this page where you see general, that is the bio, that is your info of the page. So you can type any professional bio there, but me, I'll just write funny reactions that will make you laugh, and I will simply go ahead and put this on always open. Click on next. Down here on the next page, you will see that your account or your page will be created successfully for you, and you have to also put on your logo or your profile picture as well as a banner on your account. So you can do it right now, you can skip it for later to also design it, but here I'll just choose any of my pictures to make the logo as well as the banner and simply move to the next step. Now here you can click on skip up here, and on the next page you see stay informed. I'll click on done down here, and you can see right now my account has been created. I'll click on skip on all of this, but here they will ask you to choose one of these people to also follow, so you can choose any of them and click on done, and voila, your page will be created successfully just like mine, as you can see right. So now that your Facebook page is created, we move on to the next step, that is actually creating content on your Facebook page. So how do you find the funny videos or the videos that you are going to react to, as well as edit the videos and also post them on your Facebook page? Let me show you. To find the videos that you are also going to react to, simply head on to any social media app of your choice, preferably Instagram and TikTok, because those are places that you can get more videos to also react to. Now here in the search bar of any of the social media, here I'm using Instagram. You simply search for the videos that you are also going to react to. So mine, I'll simply type in the search bar funny videos, but if you are also into football and making football content, you can simply type funny football moment, and you can also get all sorts of videos to also react to. So yeah, I'll type in funny videos in general. You can see there are many funny videos here, and the good thing is that these videos are very popular on Instagram, so it means they can go viral on Facebook videos. Now when you find a video that you want to react to, if you download it straight from Instagram or TikTok, there will be a watermark on it. So to avoid this, you simply have to copy the link of the video. So here I'll click on share and click on copy right here, and after copying the link, What you need to do is to simply head over to your browser that you use or to Google and type in Instagram downloader. If you're using Instagram downloader or TikTok downloader. Now the search results will bring you many websites that will allow you to download Instagram videos without any watermark. So you simply click on any of the website that you see, paste in the link that you also copied right here, click on download. Most of the times there will be ads, so make sure you close the ad and simply download the video to your phone, just like I've done right here in my gallery. Now that we have our video to react to, let me show you how to make the video of your reaction. Now I know many of you have only one phone to do this reaction, because this requires you to have two phones or any device that you can watch the video on. So you can put the device in front of you just like this and also watch the video and also react to it. You just laugh or anything like that. When posting videos on Facebook, I would advise you that as you are starting, you post from 15 seconds videos to 30 seconds, because many people have tried and tested this, that is the sweet spot for your video to go viral or to reach many people very easily. So make sure you also watch the video throughout and see where the laughing point is. And the next step is very simple. You can pick up your phone just like this. So when you pick up your phone, all you need to do is to be calm or just stay still, or you can just be moving yourself, but you can stay still for like 30 seconds. So just like this, you just put your phone in front of you just like this and stay still. And in about 30 seconds, you just laugh like what you are seeing on the screen. That is the one that I also made right here. Mine was just 13 seconds for the demonstration. So I tried something myself. I shot a video in the vertical mode versus the horizontal mode, and I saw that the horizontal mode is more better than shooting your videos in the vertical mode, because when you shoot in the horizontal mode, it gives you more space to also work with. So if you don't have any tripod to also stand your video on to shoot, you can simply do it like this and simply shoot with your front camera just like this. So you can simply shoot with your front camera right here, and what you need to do is to act like you are watching a video. So let's say I'm watching a video, I'll act like I'm watching a video down here, down my tripod right here. So so you saw what I just did here. So this is how you can simply record your videos to also use them. After you are done, here is how to combine the two videos to also create your own video which is original for you to post them and get monetized on Facebook. The first thing that you need is a video editor. So you can simply download any video editor on your phone, but the simplest one that you can download is InShot. I've already downloaded it to my phone, so simply go to the App Store or the Play Store and search for InShot, download it to your phone, open into the app, click on New, select the video that you also shot first, and you can see after you select the video there is a watermark on it. Now in CapCut, with this you can't remove it unless you pay, but with InShot you can remove it by watching an advert. Simply drag your up up where you started the video, just cut off where you don't want to click on the video, and from the tools you simply click on the split right here, click on the clip that you want, delete, and then scroll through and see to where you also laughed and left the video. Just split that part and also delete that unwanted part too. I'll split and delete, and here our video is ready. So now we can layer our other clip on top of this video. So here I'm just dragging the video to make it much longer, because this video is very short. Make sure you make your own a little long. So I'll click on volume right here, I'll click on volume, drag it down to also lower the volume of my original clip. I will zoom my video a little bit. So here I'll click on the video, zoom it a little bit, and then we are going to add the other video. So click on PIP, select the video that you downloaded right here, and you can see the video is very long in terms of height. So I'll simply crop the video. I'll click on crop right here, and I'll simply drag this down to also crop the video so that the height will be a little bit short, and I'll just make it fit with where my other video is. Now here is the crucial part. What you want to do is to make sure you match the video with the one down. So simply crop out where you don't want, or simply crop out where you don't need to be in the video. Make sure you match it. So simply drag this down here, clip out where you don't want. Make sure where you laugh match with the funny moment of the video by simply deleting the part that is not wanted. Just split, just like I showed you, and deleting the part that you don't want right here. And you can see I'm left with this video, so I'll simply drag it to see whether it's matched with this one or not. All right, so you can see that right now this match the video. Now the next thing that I'll do is to also lower the volume of the video on top. Click on volume, just lower the volume, because you know this clip has been posted to Instagram and other platform before, and I'm sure somebody have even reacted to this clip. So all you need to do is to change some little things in it to make it original. So I'll just lower the volume of this video. I'll lower it, and after lowering the volume of the video, and also add any funny sound on top. So to add any funny sound, all you need to do is to go into TikTok and simply search for funny video sounds, and here you can find many of these sounds and also download it. So with this video, you can simply download it like you are downloading any video from TikTok. Now when a video is downloaded, what you want to do is to head over to InShot that we are using right now. Here click on audio, down here click on music, and here click on extract audio from video. Click on it and click on the video that you just downloaded. Now you can see the music down here. I'll play the video and the music or the sound will also play, and I'll just click on this. So what you want to do is to lower the volume of the clip that you are also reacting to and higher the volume of the sound that you also added, so that this can be termed as an original content. So that is what I'm doing right here. And what you want to do is to crop out where the video ends, you crop out the music. So click on the audio, click on the music, and click on split, click on delete to also delete that part that you don't need. So here I want us to do something a little bit extra. So we are going to add a text right here. This also catch people attention to also watch the video that you posted. So click on text. Here I'll click on text again and enter the text right here. So I'll enter our father even laughed right here, and just click on the edges to also make it smaller and put it on the screen in between my video and the video that I'm reacting to right here, and just drag this across so that it will fill up the video. And I'll just play this up and delete the rest of it that I don't want. And when I play the video together, you can see how it looks. Now it's time for us to save the video. So we have to remove the watermark first. So click on the InShot right here. So the trick that I use to also remove this without watching ad is simply turn off my data, or simply turn off my Wi-Fi that I'm using. Right here I'll click on InShot, and you can see that this is loading up. Wait for it to load up, and when it's done, click on this share icon up here, click on save. You just save the video, and here in my gallery, here is the video that is playing on your screen right here that we just created. So you can simply follow these steps to also create the video just like this. And if you don't understand anything, you can simply comment for me to know, so that I can make a dedicated video showing you how to do simple and basic edits on your phone. Now that our video is done, we have to post it, and I'm going to show you how to post it the right way to get more views. But first, let me tell you a little bit about Facebook monetization and what is required to actually monetize your Facebook page. The first thing to know is that you have to live in an eligible country. So Facebook monetization is eligible in many countries, just some few exceptions. So make sure you check this by simply going to Google and type in, is Facebook monetization available, and adding the country that you are from, and you will know whether the Facebook monetization is available in your country or not. Secondly, you have to post original content. So you see that many Facebook pages get monetized early and very fast when they start posting original content, such as their daily life and everything, because Facebook is all about originality. Now the next thing that you need to know is that Facebook monetization is by invitation only. Now what do I mean by this? There is no criteria like YouTube where you have to get 4,000 watch hours and also 1,000 subscribers before you get monetized. No, Facebook monetization is by invitation. So as your page keeps growing and getting more views and also engagement, Facebook themselves will invite you to join their monetization program. Now let's move on to how to post your videos the right way to get more views and get monetized. But one thing that you need to know is that posting reels gets you more engagement as well as views. So I prefer you post most of your video content in reels, and a few ones can be in just posting videos on Facebook. So here I'm going to show you how to post a reel on Facebook. All you simply need to do is to click on this reel section right here, click on create reels, select the video that you want to also post. In my case, this video right here, I'll click on next, and down here you can see the description, and up you can see the title. So I'll simply write a simple title, funny baptism right here, and add a laughing emoji. Now when I'm done, I'll simply type in the description, but in my case I'm going to type in hashtag. And if you want the fastest way to get hashtag, go to google.com and type in Facebook hashtag generator. You can find any of these websites and simply open into them. Now make sure you type in what your video topic is about, and after you are done, click on generate Facebook hashtags, and you can get 10 hashtags to also add to your video in order to post it. So I'll click on this, and after I'm done, I'm copy the hashtag which have been generated, click on this to also add it to my Facebook. And here what you need to do is to also turn this on. So what you want to do is to simply scroll down here and click on share this to my story and enable it. Now anytime you post a video, it will be shared to your story, because Facebook stories are also very powerful to get you more views. So there is a feature here which can help you a lot, especially when you post many videos on Facebook, and that is exactly what you need to do, because Facebook is all about volume. So I'm going to show you how to also use this to later. Now here I'll simply click on the topic that I want my video or my video is about right here. I'll click on comedy, and after I've added my topic, I'll click on this and can see uploading, running copyright scan. Now this is very good because this can also run and detect whether your video is copyrighted or not, so that you won't also get into trouble. Now as this is also running, let me show you the tool that can help you post more on Facebook. Now here I'll click on create rules again and select the same video that I'm also posting, just an example. Here scroll down to this scheduling option, click on it, and you can see publish now and schedule for later. Now this can help you also schedule your videos so that you won't come into the Facebook app anytime that you want to post videos. Now you can see that my post is done on Facebook right here, and it has been shared to my story too, as you can see right here. So you can simply follow these steps to also post your videos on Facebook. Here are the things that you need to know to help you get more views as well as monetize your Facebook page very fast. Now, as I told you in some parts of this video, Facebook is all about volume, and you are advised to post from 8 to 15 content every single day. Mind you, you can post pictures as well as text and videos, so you can simply post them every single day. And this content that you post, make sure you post reels, you post stories. And also one important thing to do is to go live. At least when you go live one time per week, it will help you get closer to monetization very fast. And also avoid copyright music, mainly from mainstream music. If you see that there is a clip that have mainstream music, it's either you remove the mainstream music from the clip or simply don't use the clip at all, because most of the mainstream music can get you into a lot of copyright trouble. I have another video coming up where I'll show you how to use AI to create Facebook posts that can be monetized, and you don't have to show your face on camera or make any videos, because you are going to use AI to also create all the content you are going to post on your Facebook page to get monetized. And if you want that video, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, turn on notification to also get that notification and watch that video when it also come out. Also, if you want more videos about how to make money online, you can click on the playlist on the screen right now.